Hello everyone, this is Neha Baveja. Today I'm going to talk about three very important factors. We can actually call them triple S. Three S we are going to talk about, which plays a major role in your health. Yes, diet definitely helps. Your physical activity definitely helps. But अगर आपका डाइट भी ठीक है, आप फिजिकली भी एक्टिव हैं, बट इन तीनों में से किसी भी फैक्टर में आप कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर रहे हैं, it will have a major impact on your health. So let's talk about these three S's. Number one is stress. Number two is sleep. Number three is satisfaction. So these three factors majorly have a important role in your health. First of all, stress. If we see, definitely somewhere or the other is directly impacting your immune system, is a major cause of lot of autoimmune issues which we are facing these days, जो पहले हम इतना easily नहीं देखते थे. Similarly, इम्यूनिटी आपका डाउन जा रहा है, इन्फ्लेमेशन को इंक्रीज़ कर रहा है, विच इज़ डायरेक्टली विजिबल इन योर इन्फ्लेमेटरी मार्कर्स. बहुत आसानी से आप देख सकते हैं कि बॉडी में इन्फ्लेमेशन बढ़ रहा है. सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ स्लीप. जहाँ तक स्लीप की हम बात करें, स्लीपिंग ऑन टाइम and taking a sufficient number of hours of sleep is again very important. And at the same time, the quality of sleep does have a major impact on your hormones, on your health, on your digestion, on your overall health. ठीक है, तो ये दो चीज़ों पे अगर हम काम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, but still rest of the things which we are following on a right track, we are at a risk of developing certain sort of health issues. Last and the foremost thing is satisfaction. Satisfaction is something which is an internal choice. It is something which is variable. It is going to vary from person to person. I might be satisfied with a 40K job, you might not be. I might be satisfied with certain luxury items at my place, which you will not be. So satisfaction is something which is of prime importance. Being grateful, whatever you have, whatever sufficient you have with you, enjoying those particular moments and enjoying those particular resources and getting a proper satisfaction from them is again the major factor. हमारे पास सब कुछ है, but still somewhere or the other we have an urge to get more and more and more. We are not grateful in that much resources with us. We are not really satisfied with that. So satisfaction, I really feel, is again a very important factor which is of prime importance. Enjoying a simple dal roti meal with the simplest form of broken onion with the hand is something which is going to give satisfaction to a lot of laborers, lot of people who are not earning much, but luxurious and widespread sort of a meal might not give satisfaction to some people. So satisfaction again needs to be there. Think about it.